All right, YouTube, so we're about to do some skids in the rain.
Yeah, boy.
See what we can do. I told you. I told you. I finally figured out how to
No! Alright, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't get my car.
I told you. I finally figured out how to mod you.
Ain't no way, bro.
Bro, I figured it out now. I'm about to give Josh a run.
That is crazy. This
practice.
Is a hyperbolic tail chamber. What? What? Ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no. I gotta see this from the outside. Get me out of the car, bro. Yo, when are you gonna get a hydro?
Never. Probably. The e-brake works very well. I got a drip button on it.
Oh, you got the button? Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh yeah.
A hydro's nice and easy to grab. That's the thing.
Yeah, I personally like the pull up. So if I did do a hydro, it'd be the pull up style.
Oh, okay. Oh wow.
I'm running out of grip.
Yeah, it's fun. Oh my gosh, that's so great. Sorry, I'm like ruining your video.
Bro, you good? You good?
Wow, bro, holy sh**.
Oh man, you good, bro? You good?
That's fun, man. Wow, that was awesome.
Oh man,
that was great. Yeah.
I'll check my tires real quick. Oh yeah, appreciate it. You been sliding before? Nope. Well, it's about to get a little ride. Try to go first. that's my bad.
Oh, yes, sir. That boy's the Manji King, boy. Okay.
It's pretty slick.
Yeah. Well, your e-brake works hella good, bro.
I messed up.
There you go. That's it right there. That's it right there. Yes, sir.